Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll set the ring and notification volume panel. And now just to mute the device ringtone, you should swap this dot to the left side with your finger right this way. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on the three dots, and you'll see here this volume panels again, and just by the same way swap this dot to the left side, and by this way you'll mute your device ringtone. After that just click here to done to save all the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.